Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Time FK7, and today we're going to be installing LED lights on this 2021 Honda Civic Type R. Let's go. Stock, this car comes with halogen taillights, so everything back here is halogen or incandescent bulbs. So today we're going to be installing LED lighting on this car, because not only does LED lighting last longer than incandescent slash halogen light bulbs, but they are also at times a lot better with lighting. So they give off a brighter LED color light instead of that brownish yellowish color that you get with your halogen, and they make the lights pop. So today we're going to be LEDing these lights, and in my opinion this should have been LED from the start. It's 2021. Who uses halogen or incandescent light bulbs on their cars? So we're gonna fix that with this solution. Now Lasfit was kind enough to send me a bunch of their items, and you already know I already installed all of these on the Sport hatch. So with them finding out that I bought a Type R, they went ahead and sent me some Lasfit items for the car so that I can change those ugly halogen bulbs to LEDs, and that I can also protect my floor with these floor liners. And if ever you want any of these items, be sure to use my code CTFK7, because these are really good items, and like ever since installing them in my car, I never regretted any of it. And like until now, I still have all their products installed in my car and they still work perfectly fine. Never had an issue with them, and they really do change the look of the car, and they really do change the lighting that you have. So let's go on ahead and install these on the Type R. With these taillights we have halogen brake lights, halogen reverse lights, and halogen turn signals. We're going to start off with doing this first, especially with the reverse lights. When you're backing up, it tends to give off that brownish yellowish color, and it's not clear on the reverse camera. So we're gonna fix that and install these nice and bright LEDs from Lasfit. So these give off a white light when you're reversing, so that you can get that clear image quality on your reverse screen. And the tools you'll need for this installation is either a screwdriver or a socket wrench. And it's a fairly easy install, and so yeah, we'll go ahead and do that. So this is the lights stock. Now, time for the installation. First, we're going to be removing these two screws. Ta-da! Done. Just like that. It only took 3 minutes. Woo. And of course we have our interior lights, which again is halogen, so we're going to be replacing them. And if you're wondering how to replace them, it's pretty much the same process as the Sport, but like look how brown and disgusting that looks. So once we change that out to LED, then this car would be fully LED'd out. Ooh, that's hot. Last but not least, of course, we gotta change these out because look how dirty it is now. These are just the factory mats that came with the car. So As much as I want to keep these mats, like, because it has the Type R logo on it and it matches with the red interior of the car, this mat doesn't really protect your carpet from, you know, like mud or whatever, dirt and all that stuff that you bring in the car. Because at least with the Lasfit mats, they have like sidewalls so that this won't happen, all that stuff on the edges. So we're gonna replace these mats with the Lasfit ones. Obviously, we're gonna want to clean it first. And just like that, the floor mats are now installed, and wow, really makes a difference on the interior of the car. And now that I know that the floor is protected, I won't be as scared taking in passengers as I was before, because obviously, you know, the stock floor mats that this car came with barely had any protection, and they were cloth. So if it was raining and your passengers come in, then obviously your carpet's gonna get all wet and all disgusting. So at least with these are weatherproof, so you know, you can bring in dirt, water, rain, whatever, snow, whatever you can bring in there, and it'll protect your floor. Not only that, but it also has a middle piece, so that's pretty cool, and it looks nice too. Alright guys, so this is a little after of installing the lights. Look at that. Look how bright that is. Damn, let me just open. We have our cabin light, and of course, let's turn on the dome lights. Boom. Just like that. And I really gotta get some tint. Man. It gets brighter once you open the door, because if you close it. So that's the light with the door closed. When I open it slightly, it gets brighter. And I just noticed that. And now it's time for subscriber builds. Will I show off your builds on my video? And our first build for today is... First we have Aldo Cordova's build, and he says, "Hey Chris, this is my 2021 Civic hatchback. Her name is Helen. I really haven't done anything to improve performance. All I've done is cosmetic changes, and I'm not done yet. Next thing on the list is an exhaust system. Keep up the good work, my friend." Next build is from XZ Dank, and he says, "Love the channel, keep up the good work. Here is my work in progress." And our last build for today is from Hi Rio, and she says, "My name is Hi Rio, pronounced like Hi Rio, but this is my 2021 Honda Civic Sport hatchback." If you want your build to be featured on my channel, send me an email at christimefk7@gmail.com so that your build can be featured on my next video. Also, it doesn't have to be a Honda Civic, by the way. It could be any type of car. Like, you can send me a minivan, and that's fine. But yeah, send me your videos or pictures at my email so that you can be featured. Sorry for the lighting, it is pretty dark outside now. But as you all know, the channel just reached 10K subs. And I've been meaning to do this video like a while ago. I've just been slacking off because I've been like super busy. But Lasfit has decided to team up with me once again to do another giveaway on the channel because the channel just reached, as you all know, 10K subs. So we're gonna be doing a giveaway, and it's not gonna be like your typical giveaway where we would just send you products. Instead, we're gonna send you kind of like a code so that you can pick whatever item you want on the Lasfit store. So, you know, it's not gonna be like a set item where first place gets, you know, the highest end light bulb or whatever. But this time we're gonna send you a code, and you're gonna apply that code upon checkout so that you can get whatever you want. But yeah, to enter this giveaway, all you have to do is obviously be a subscriber of this channel and comment down below, what do you want as future mods on the Type R as well as the Sport. And since I bought my dream car, I want to know what you guys' dream car is. Like, I want to hear your feedback. I want to know what your guys' dream car is, and like just future videos in the channel in general, so that I can provide you with the content that you guys wish to see on the channel, because I like to hear your feedback, and I feel like it'll help improve my engagement with you guys instead of just commenting or hearting your comments. But yeah, and to determine the winners, it's going to be your comment has to have the most likes, and it's going to be a multiple giveaway, so it's not just going to be one, you know, one single person that'll receive the code. It's going to be multiple people. But yeah, the comment with the most likes is going to win this giveaway. And again, sorry for the lighting. If I don't have the lights on, it's going to look like this. But yeah, as always, I like to hear you guys' feedback, and I really do appreciate the support that you guys been giving me. This channel has come a long way. It literally just reached 11.7K just now upon recording this video, and like just like a week ago or 2 weeks ago, it just reached 10K. So the growth of this channel has been phenomenal, and I haven't, you know, I wasn't expecting to grow this big. So without you guys' support, I wouldn't be pushing out as many videos as I am today. So yeah, more videos in the future to come with this Type R, and of course the Honda Civic Sport hatch, which is right behind me. I don't know if you guys can see. It's covered, so don't worry, it's safe from the elements, because as you all know, I am parked outside, so I don't have a garage. But yeah, also soon to come on the channel, and I don't know if you guys can see it, but Miata is right there. So Miata content will also come to the channel as requested by some of my audiences. I also made a poll on Instagram, and most of you said yes to Miata content. So I'm going to be trying to push out some Miata content on the channel and see how that goes. But yeah, more videos of the Honda Civic Sport hatch. And just to prove to you guys that I still have the car, it's right here, see? Nice and safely tucked away in this cover. So I didn't get rid of it. I still have both. So you guys are going to see more videos of the Sport hatch soon. And if you haven't watched my most recent videos, I actually did a all mods list on the Sport hatch. So be sure to check that out if you want to see what I've done so far on that particular car. And like the background noises is really loud out here. So yeah, good luck with the giveaway, and the winners will be announced by the end of August. So stay tuned. Back to the video. So that about wraps up this video. In conclusion, LED lights is definitely worth it for any type of car. So if you're still running those halogen/incandescent light bulbs, change it out to LEDs, because it gives you that more modern look and it prolongs the lifetime of your bulbs. So once you install the LEDs, you're not going to have to worry about changing them out in the future, because you know the halogen bulbs have a shorter lifespan than LED bulbs. Also, you'll see a lot better with these bulbs on because they're brighter and they're more colorful, giving you that deeper, rich tone to your lighting. Anyways, if you guys are interested on these lights, be sure to check out Lasfit's website and use my code CTFK7 for that 10% off. Again, these are highly worth it. So thank you all for watching. I hope you guys like this video. If you do like this video, be sure to hit that like button. Comment down below what you guys think of this video, or if you have any future suggestions on any type of videos that I should be doing in the future. If you want to check out my sport hatch installation, be sure to look through my videos, or I can just link it down in the description so that you guys can check it out. Again, thank you all for watching. This is Time FK7, and peace out.
Do you guys want to know how can he afford different kinds of mods? This is the secret.
What's the secret?
Cut your own hair.
So yeah.
Because $20 a month, how many?
That adds up actually.
Yeah. But
It's
how
actually
many?
25.
How many times you get a haircut in a month?
One, at least once.
One?
Yeah. Sometimes twice,
Oh,
but once a month.
that's already $40.
$25.
30, so it's like 30.
Yeah.
20.
Yeah. That's like $600.
Really?
Yeah. Well, you can do
A
it
year?
yourself. Look at that. Fresh, clean cut that I did by myself.
It's not even though. But you know, it's COVID, so nobody will really know, I guess. It's not even in the camera. It looks worse in the camera.
Well, what are you gonna do? Anywho, bye.